1. Welcome students, let's start our chapter review. Chapter 2. Quadratic Equations. Revision Notes Class 10. Two. Identifying the beast, standard form. X squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Degree must be exactly 2. Quadratic. Linear term. Bx. Constant. C. Real numbers. A, b, c. A is not equal to 0. If A is equal to 0, it collapses into a linear equation. Exam trap. Always rearrange the equation into standard form before finding A, B, C. Example, y square is equal to 2y minus 7 square minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Comparison. Linear, 5x plus 9 is equal to 0, max index is equal to 1. Quadratic, x square plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, max index is equal to 2. Three. What is a root by solution? A root is the magic number that makes the equation balanced perfectly to 0. The zero machine. Substitute arbitrary value x into x square plus bx plus c. Result is not equal to 0, not a root. Result is equal to 0, it's a root. Example, check x is equal to minus 2 into x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. LHS, 2 into minus 2 square minus 7 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 8 plus 14 plus 6 is equal to 28. Since 28 is not equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2 is not a solution. Four. Solving methods. Keep this in mind for quick revision. The method matrix. Factorization. The quick ninja. Used when splitting the middle term is easy. Completing the square. The architect. Used when asked specifically, time-consuming. Formula method. The heavy artillery. Used when factors aren't obvious. Always works. Pick your weapon wisely to save time in the exam. Five. Method 1. Factorization. Splitting the middle term. Equation, m square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. Step 1. Find two numbers that multiply to 13 and add to minus 14. Minus 13 and minus 1. Step 2. Split it. M square minus 13m minus 1m plus 13 is equal to 0. Step 3. Factor by grouping m into m minus 13 minus 1 into m minus 13 is equal to 0. Step 4. M minus 13 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. Exam note, zero product rule. If a into b is equal to 0, then a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So, m is equal to 13 or m is equal to 1. Six. Method 2. Completing the square. Goal. Force the equation into a perfect square format, x plus or minus a square is equal to b. The blueprint, x square plus 8x minus 48 is equal to 0. Move constant to RHS x square plus 8x is equal to 48. The magic number. Calculate, b by 2, square, 8 by 2, square is equal to 16. Add magic number to both sides, x square plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 48 plus 16. Compress into perfect square, x plus 4, square is equal to 64. Take square roots, x plus 4 is equal to plus or minus 8. Don't forget the plus or minus when taking the square root. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 12. 7. Method 3. The ultimate formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Story trick to memorize. A negative boy, minus b, couldn't decide, plus or minus, to go to a radical, square root, party, b square, so he lost 4 awesome cats, minus 4ac. The party was all over at 2 am, 2a. How to deploy? Find a, b, c. Calculate b2 minus 4ac first, avoids messy fractions early on. Plug into the formula. Always works, even for ugly decimals. Eight. Reading the DNA. The discriminant, delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac tells you the nature of the roots before you even solve. Delta greater than 0, real and unequal. Delta is equal to 0, real and equal. Delta less than 0, not real, imaginary. Exam note, if delta is negative, stop solving. Write, roots are not real, and move on to the next question. Nine. Secret links, roots and coefficients. Sum of roots, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Product of roots, alpha times beta is equal to c by a. Formula shortcuts. If an exam asks for alpha square plus beta square, do not find alpha and beta separately. Use the identity shortcut. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Memorize these two fractions. They save 5 minutes of calculation. Reverse engineering, building the equation. Build the equation back using a simple template, x square minus, sum of roots, x plus, product of roots, is equal to 0. Formula, x square minus, alpha plus beta, x plus, alpha beta, is equal to 0. Example walkthrough, roots minus 3 and minus 7. Sum, minus 3, plus, minus 7, is equal to minus 10. Product, minus 3, times, minus 7, is equal to 21. X square plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Exam note, watch the minus sign in the middle. It's x square minus the sum. Real-world applications, word problems. Translation dictionary. Consecutive natural numbers x and x plus 1. Product of ages is 84, x times y is equal to 84. 10 more than breadth x plus 10. The reality check rule, you must reject impossible answers. Length and age are never negative, trees cannot be fractions. Geometric formulas often merge with quadratics. 12. The ultimate chapter cheat sheet. Standard form, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Solving tools, factorization, completing square, formula. Forming equations, x square minus, alpha plus beta, x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Nature of roots, delta greater than 0, real by unequal, is equal to 0, real by equal, less than 0, not real. Roots relation, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, alpha beta is equal to c by a. Thank you for watching Inter Maths.